All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. And with this video, I want to touch on a skin that you can purchase for your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE smartphone. And the thing with the skins is that it gives you that little bit of protection on the phone itself where you're not scratching up the back or anything like that. And then also at the same time, adding a little bit of texture to the phone so that way if you are someone that likes to rock the phone without a case, then you feel a little bit more comfortable holding the phone because it does give a little bit better grip with those. So it's a shame to cover up this beautiful cloud navy color, but at the same time, there are some really awesome skins out there. So the skin company that I prefer to go with is Soapy Guard. So Soapy Guard makes some fantastic skins for smartphones. You can actually go to their website, it's just soapyguard.com, and they have skins for smartphones, headphones, gaming systems, things like that. But they're really affordable. They ship out of California. I live in Texas, so they only take like 3 days to get to me. And their shipping's actually really affordable as far as cost goes. So with this case or skin that I have here, as you can see, I picked up a black carbon fiber skin. And the thing that I really like about their skins is when they ship them, you can order either just the back only or a wraparound. Now I only did the back only for this one, but they do have a wraparound one that you can order. But I like that they don't charge you extra to send the camera bump skin as well. So you do get that as well. So let's go ahead and take this bad boy out. So with this case here, I believe I only paid $6.99 for it. And then after shipping, I think it was a grand total of 10 bucks. But I'll make sure to put in the description the specifics of that. So whenever you order the skin, this is exactly what you get with it. So you got the skin here. So as you can see, it's this really nice carbon fiber color. Really looks good when the light hits it. So you got that there. Then you have, let's see. So it comes with an alcohol wipe. So you got an alcohol wipe there to wipe down the phone. And then you have this card here. It says, before you start skin installation, please visit soapyguard.com for installation guide. Thank you. So with that, and the other cool thing is you have a code here that you can get 10% off your next order. So that code there is just Soapy Guard. So pretty easy peasy. But yeah, so you got that. And then you have this really nice microfiber black cloth here that has the Soapy Guard branding, which I really like as well. Looks good on that black. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick installation. I've never done one on the actual phone for YouTube, but I thought, why not? So it's real simple. So with the alcohol swap, excuse me, here, all you're going to do is basically just wipe down the back of the phone. So pretty easy. So the whole thing, just get the whole back, just wipe down. And basically it's just cleaning the surface to be able to apply the skin. So you just want a nice clean surface when you're doing that. So I got it all wiped down there. And then I'm just going to use the provided microfiber cloth and just wipe the phone down and get it all nice and dry. Okay, there we go. And then with the skin, go ahead and get this out of the way here. And so with the skin here, what I do is I just peel it off. And then what I like to do personally is, instead of just taking that camera bump off, so I'm going to put half of it on the actual paper here. And that's going to help you be able to line it up a little bit better. So whenever you're lining it up, I always start with the camera bump itself. As a matter of fact, I'd probably actually put it a little bit closer to that camera bump because it can get pretty flimsy right there. Because once you have that lined up and the top lined up, then everything else matches up pretty good. So let's do this. So then I'm just going to peel this off and just kind of work my way down. That way I don't get any bubbles. So I try to kind of just go slow down it. work the sides a little bit there. Okay, and there you go. So with this case, obviously with the skin, what you want to do is hit it with a blow dryer to get those edges pushed down a little bit more, because as you can see here, like it's going to go all the way down the edge, just like right here, as you can see. So it goes down, but it doesn't cover up the power button and the volume buttons, but what it does is it just kind of goes around that lip on the edge, so it goes all around the matte black or the matte blue color until where it meets with the rails on the side there. But you got a nice perfect cutout around the camera bump, which I'll have to mess with a little bit, but once I hit it with the blow dryer, it's gonna just even those all out. But completely changes the look of your phone 110%, and now you have this beautiful carbon fiber phone, and it just looks awesome. Now I personally usually don't put on the camera bump carbon fiber because I do like the two-tone with the black, solid black where it meets the carbon fiber, but that's just me. But just for the video purposes, let me go ahead and just put it on. But I personally, like I said, typically don't. But let's just do it since I have the video going here. So with this, let's go ahead and just match it up with the lenses. And there you go. So that was a lot easier. So now you have this completely matte black phone. Now, the only benefit, in my opinion, to having this on here, obviously, is if you don't put a case on the phone and you're just putting it back down, then the skin is going to help protect that camera bump and not get it scratched up or anything like that. But as you can see here, I mean, it just looks really, really good whenever you have the skin on. So there you go, guys. So carbon fiber black skin from Soapy Guard on the new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Comment down below and let me know if you have any skins on this phone yet. I have not seen any videos yet that are showing this, so hopefully this is the first, and hopefully y'all enjoy it. So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Be safe out there.